This is Kim, and I'm Diane, and we're going to test together Thai chicken meals. They're two different frozen meals.
Yours is Korean.
Mine's Korean, okay. So she's going to do it. Now, what are you doing yours in?
A Hot Logic.
A Hot Logic.
Yes.
All
And
right.
look how pretty mine is. Hers isn't pretty. Mine's really pretty. Look.
All right.
Okay.
So I don't have my 500, but that doesn't matter. Now the one difference is that I'm using a rice cooker, and mine goes into my 12 volt. And so we're going to hit the buttons, and
It's at 83%.
83%, and she has it on a
regular outlet.
regular.
Just call it a regular outlet like you would put a lamp in.
It's a regular outlet, two-prong outlet.
Yeah, two-prong.
All right, and mine is a car. All right, so I am at 99, and we're going to run them both and see how long it takes. All right, let's do it. And I'm fighting the battle of the dogs. We just started about 2 minutes ago, right? And mine is using 40 watts. Yes,
Okay. Mine is using 37.
37 watts. So
I can answer that one question.
that's pretty close.
Right.
Go.
Get the hot pot, people. It is awesome. It will cook anything, it will brown anything, and it does it very, very fast.
What's the wattage it uses?
600 watts, but it's not more than 10 minutes.
Okay, a burger. I want to put a burger in there.
If you did a burger, it'd probably be 5 minutes on each side, depending on how well done you wanted it. It's that quick.
How long have you been using it?
3 years. DEZIN.
DEZIN. Wow, look at that. You know how many quarts that is?
No, I just know I like it. 1.1 liter.
That's so cool.
Get one.
I think it's ready, but it's taking 40 watts, and now it's only taking 99 watts. So yeah, the red makes it heat up. So 40 watts to warm, and about 95 to done. And it's used 5%. And how was yours, Kim?
I have used 2%. And mine is hot, and I think I might be able to eat it. Let's see.
Oh, it's so good.
All right, so it's ready.
Uh-huh.
So you only use 2%,
Uh-huh.
and I used
She's wearing it now.
5%.
Kim from Out on a Limb with Kim won. Woo!